Namaskara friends, I am Dr. Chethan. Welcome to the channel. Today I will teach you how to make a machine learning model without coding in a simple way. So for this I will use a hard disk dataset. What is this dataset? This dataset has input and output or target. I can say input as feature and the output as target. Train a machine learning model to predict whether a person has heart disease or not. Input for machine learning model or we say feature. So I will explain a simple way. So one of the feature is a machine learning model. I'm using this dataset. So these are the input features, input value in our input parameter to train my machine learning algorithm, and this is the output, the target column. So here I'm using age as one input and chest pain type as one input, and resting blood pressure and the cholesterol level, FPS, fasting blood sugar, ECG results, maximum heart rate, and few more. So using this parameter input features, I'm going to predict. First, I'm going to try. The most important column in the dataset is the output label, is known as target. So this will predict whether the person has heart disease present or no heart disease. This is a typical Altair AI Studio workstation. Here we have a read CSV file black. So here we are going to upload the dataset, and we have cross validation. So inside which we have a model, different models, maybe KNN model, random forest, decision tree, any type of models you can make it. So I'm going to connect this KNN model to apply model, and we have performance to check the model capability. So I can check the performance. If you play this button, you can see the performance. It may be accuracy or classification error or weighted mean recurve. So you can see this here. We got accuracy is 80%. Yeah. Now, how to start the process? So now I'm going to click on the Altair AI Studio. Where it is? Here is the AI Studio. Start normally. Yeah. So we need this blank process. Click on blank process. I think there are two blocks are opening. Yeah, this is different. Okay. Now first I have to drag read CSV black, read CSV black, and one more black. Cross validation. Cross validation. If you type here, you will get this blacks. Read CSV. Cross. So link this just by clicking the left click button on the mouse. Yeah. So click on the read CSV. Double click on the read CSV. Or one more way. Click on read CSV. Here there is one more command. Import configuration wizard. Click on this. It will show the path. So my data set is in desktop. Is on desktop. This is a hard disk is a CSV file. So to train my model, I'm going to use this data. One more data set is hard disk is to test my model. I'm going to use this CSV. So to train my model, I'm going to use this data. Next, drag this. The last column is my target. So I'll change this as row label. Click OK. Finish it. Yeah. Now double click on the cross validation. So here we can import any model. So now I will import KNN, K nearest neighbor model. KNN. So connect from here to here. Yes. Mode to mode. Next, you can set the K value, K value. So I'm going to set it as 1 or 2. Keep 1. Next, type apply model. Apply model. Drag this apply model. Connect this to mode, and test to again. Yeah. Next, performance. I want to check the performance model. So I will drag performance, just the performance. You can use the classification also. Label. Now check the performance. Now click on this play button. So there's a final connection is missing. Fix now. Because here I not connected this cross validation performance to the final output. That's why it's causing the error. Fix now. Fix now. It is taken. Now click on this play button. Now you can see my model accuracy is 70%. Right? Yeah. The fine. Now I'll go to design. So now I've trained my model. So now how to test my model. So to test my model, see, I'm going to use this dataset. Here I have so many input features, input parameters. The target is empty. So I'm going to give this input. My model has to predict whether with this data whether the man or any person will get heart disease or not. So my model has to predict this whether it is heart disease or no. Okay. So this dataset is also saved on my desktop. So what I will do first, I will disconnect this cross validation. Now I will import one more block or read CSV and one more apply model. So apply model. So I'm going to model to model, output to me, and I'm going to check this result. One more if you want, yeah, okay. Connect it. So here I'm not uploaded. So click on the read CSV. I'm going to upload the test data which is saved on my desktop. Yeah, this is. Click next. So same way here also, the target should be label. Change the rule as label. Click OK. Finish it. Now click on the play button. So it has to predict. Where is my data set? Yeah, it is predicted. No. Target is no. It says with this data, the person will not get heart disease. So we'll check one more data.